Take a ride in the 2025 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.